you're thinking about moving to coastal Alabama. Today we're going to tour Roberts Cove, a new construction community in Foley off the Foley Beach Express. This is a DR Horton community. They're currently in phase 2 of construction. The homes are starting in the mid-300s. I will review the floor plans with you later in the video. Kayla will be taking you through the subdivision and talking with Scotty about the amenities. And stay around to the end where she's going to take you to a local attraction that is just behind the community and give you a new update on the road going to the beaches. If this is your first time to our channel and you would like to know everything there is to know about living in coastal Alabama, then click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you'll be the first to be notified as soon as we release a new video. My name is Rita Sessions, and along with Kayla Robinson, we're realtors with Exit Navigator Realty, making your coastal living dreams a reality. We get calls and emails from people every day just like you. Whether you're moving in 1 month or 1 year, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information is in the description below. So shoot us a text, give us a call, or send us an email.
All right, on to my favorite part, the pool. Let's talk about that zero entry pool. It is pretty big. Not only do they have the zero entry pool up at the clubhouse, they also have restrooms and picnic tables and a covered pavilion. They also have a nice size indoor gym that you can take advantage of.
Now we're going to talk about the floor plans that's available in Roberts Cove. They currently have 3 floor plans left in this phase. All 3 of the floor plans are 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garages with a covered back porch. The first floor plan that we're going to take a look at is the booth. You'll notice as you enter into the front foyer, you'll find 3 bedrooms off to the right along with a full bath. As you go on down the foyer and head to the living room, to your left will be the entrance from the garage, as well as the laundry room and a little mud area. The living room is open to the kitchen and the dining room area. All of these floor plans have a very spacious open living area. You will find the primary bedroom off of the living room. In each one of these floor plans, the primary bath will have a double vanity, toilet closet, a water closet, a garden tub, along with a double size shower. Now this floor plan is a little over 1,900 square feet. Now the next floor plan that we're going to look at is the Karen. And the Karen has been my favorite floor plan of the 3. I did sell these homes for about 6 years, so I'm very familiar with the floor plans and the construction of these homes. So back to the floor plans. The Karen has a multi-split bedroom layout. When you enter into the foyer, you're going to find 2 bedrooms, the laundry room, and a full-size bath with double vanities, and a bedroom suite to the right. As you go down the hall, you're going to find a 4th bedroom off of where you enter in from the garage, and this makes a perfect spot for a extra game room for the kids, an office, or a true guest suite that's separated from the primary living area of the family. Now going into the living room, again, these are very spacious open floor plans. The primary bedroom is going to be off of the living room, but you do have a little hallway that you go down to enter into the bedroom. It has a large master closet for plenty of room for all of your clothes and shoes and additional storage. Now we're going to look at the Denton. The layout of the Denton to me is a little similar to the booth. The Denton has the 3 bedrooms, a laundry room, and a bathroom in the front wing off of the foyer. So you leave there and go into the living room. Now this floor plan is over 2,200 square feet, so it has the largest living room, measuring at 20 feet by 22 feet. It also has the largest primary suite, with it being more square footage, and it has a hallway off of the living room that takes you to the primary suite as well. It has your primary closet area, but it has a separate linen closet. Well, when you go in, it's a long hall, and then you've got the bathroom, and then you've got this little closet, and then you go into the bedroom. Now, I would use this additional closet for shoes, and anybody knowing me wouldn't be surprised for me saying that. Scotty and Kayla is actually going to show you around a finished Denton, so we'll go back out to Roberts Cove with them.
Hey there, my name's Scotty Scott, and I'm with DR Horton, and we're here in the wonderful community of Roberts Cove. You have plenty of amenities in here. We'll have other videos about the pool and the gym and things like that. This is a Denton floor plan, and it's on a really beautiful corner lot at the front of the community, and it's in the 380s. We're doing fantastic incentives that could help you get into this house and have a payment that you're comfortable with. If you're doing cash, we can still do lots of things for you. The great thing about this, as I mentioned, it's on a corner lot. It has a really big covered porch where you can set up rocking chairs out here and just hang out. There, my name's Scotty Scott, and I'm with DR Horton down here in Baldwin County, Alabama. And so we're going to demonstrate, we have a deco package that are the smart home light switches. And so you have an app on your phone where you can control the switches from your phone. One of the really cool things about it is that you can do these dimmer switches, and this little faceplate I've already gotten it loosened. But these are plug and play switches here, so they're easy to change out. So you don't have to have an electrician. When the smart home installer comes out, that will get all these installed for you. And so you can see here, let's see if this is, you've got the dimmer switch, and you can plug this into your app, or synchronize with your app, where you can use Alexa and say like movie setting, and it'll dim down the lights. Another cool thing is that in the pantry, you can have a motion activated light switch, so that when you go in there, it automatically turns on. Same thing for the laundry room. When you're turning the laundry basket, you don't want to be fumbling with a light switch, so that makes that convenient. This is part of the upgrades that we have, so you could use your builder credit, towards that. It's pretty cool. I think that most people will probably like it.
The great thing about Roberts Cove is it's actually centrally located. So it's just a short drive over to the Tanger outlets for all of your shopping needs, as well as a bunch of the local restaurants like Lambert's Cafe, which is a local favorite, or you have the new Texas Roadhouse that just opened up down the street. If you hop on the Beach Express, you're just a few minutes drive to the sugary white beaches of Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. And I'm not sure if you've heard the best part, but we no longer have the toll bridge going into Orange Beach. So that's new for us. So that will actually help speed up the process of getting into and out of Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. And the best part, you're only a few blocks away from Graham Creek Nature Preserve with over 600 acres. So let's go check it out. Graham Creek Nature Preserve really has thought of everything. Whether you're wanting to take advantage of the outdoor kids park, the kayak launch, or the new kayak rental program that they offer, where you just scan the little barcode and follow the instructions at the kiosk, and you get your own kayak for a couple hours. How cool is that? But they also offer over 10 miles of hiking and biking trails, 2 handicap accessible boardwalks, and they also have disc golf courses set up, as well as an archery course. I really hope that you've enjoyed our video today. Each and every week, we're going to be posting videos just like this one to keep you up to date on everything that's going on here in coastal Alabama. So make sure you subscribe. Tap that bell for notifications so you know when our next video comes out. As native residents and local real estate experts specializing in Baldwin County properties, we would love to help you find the perfect home or investment property to fit your lifestyle and budget. Contact us today. Our information is below. Send us a text, a call, or an email, and we would love to help make your transition and move to coastal Alabama a reality.